So more little jobs to do on the van. Disgusting jobs. This is the disgusting side. Well, one of the disgusting sides of full-time van life. I don't know if you can see that. It's like absolutely disgusting up there. I've just taken the fan off the blades and I've cleaned them up. They've come up really nice. Now I don't know if you can see this, but just inside there's that little black grub screw with an Allen key hole, and that holds it onto that spindle. So I've given it a good clean. Needs another little going over. Got sort of inbuilt grimy bits there, and where these little catches are that hold the vent in. But I've given it all. It was absolutely greasy as anything, and really horrible. I mean, it needs another going over really. It's sort of stuck on there. Now the other problem we've got here is the actual cover. Now I could sort of reach up and try and get some cleaning there, but that's going to be virtually impossible. The only way that can really be cleaned properly is from the top, and I'm not getting up on the roof. I'm going to have to get someone in, I think, to do that. I can't get up on the roof now. So that's that van. Let's get it all back together. That fan's all as clean as I can get it at the moment. There we go, fan's all back together, fly screen's on, and happy days, nice and clean. Mustn't leave it so long next time. Another jobbed. So a little bit of bonus footage. This is the rag that I've just cleaned my ceiling with. That's just the ceiling panels. That's just a couple of them. Look, that is the ceiling on the van, and it didn't look dirty at all. I'll have to go over the whole ceiling at some point. God, full-time van life. So this is what I've got to change. Spare wheel carrier. Sorry about the light. So that's me Transit MK7 single rear wheel drive. So I've got to get that one off. This is the new one, and on the other end it's got this bit here. And that, the new one goes in and clips into there. So let's get this old one off and see what we're facing. I don't know whether these are bolt screws or nut and bolt which go through, which means I'm going to have to take the bumper off. Let's give it a go. Well, the new ones, the old one weren't too bad to get off actually. I thought all the bolts would be completely rusted, but the bolts go into sort of capture nuts, so it's not too bad. It's going on. Can't see a bleeding thing what I'm doing here. So that main body of it is on. So this is the arm now with the bit on the end, and that somehow has got to come into there. So goes through there like that. And then somehow somehow that has to clip into there. I'll need 2 hands for this. Right, so that's all clipped in. There's a couple of little tabs, one on either side. I tried to get it turned so that one tab wasn't in the slot, but I think there's at least one tab holding it, and it seems really solid. So that's the main body on. It's clipped into the chassis, and I've got to try and get the spare wheel on now. So I've done there's a couple of jobs done. So I've done my spare wheel carrier. That's all on. I've replaced the nut. There's a nut that goes on the holder, and I ordered the proper one from Ford's. It's like a nylon wing nut, so that you don't need any tools and it doesn't rust and all that. So I've just fixed that on. So that's all finished now. The wheel carrier. Here's a picture of it's a Ford's main part. So here's a picture of the packet that it come in. That might help some people. So yeah, and I did the fan. That's all clean now. I've got so many jobs to do on. I've still got to cover the panels on the back doors. I'll do something with the side door to tidy it up a bit. Just clean the ceiling, part of the ceiling. It was absolutely disgusting. You'll be surprised. So I've done that. Yeah, there's a few more jobs. I bought some I've got Allen keys coming out my ear holes. You know, I mentioned in the clip with the MaxxFan that I had to grind down Allen key. I bought a set of like these ones. They was only cheap off of Amazon, because I didn't have the right size Allen key. You know what it's like, Allen keys, you never find them when you want them. So I bought these and found that when I went to undo the fan, the top of this was in the way, and even when I did it like that, I couldn't get any turn on it, because obviously this bit here was hitting every time you go to turn. It hits. So so that was useless. I've got a set of 3 of all different types of these. Probably never going to use them again now. It weren't a lot of money. And then so I ended up buying a cheap set again, like this, which is with the one that I ground down. So I've got bloody Allen keys coming out my ear holes now. I don't know. Tools, I keep buying more and more tools, and then they disappear and you can't find them. I don't know where they go. Like I was looking for my socket set. I only have a little tiny socket set because I ain't a mechanic. I was hunting high and low. I had everything out. Went through every single box. Couldn't find it. Ended up buying a new set. Literally a whole socket set gone. My drill went. Don't go anywhere. It's like... Anyway, I suppose they'll turn up one day. So, that's those jobs jobbed. Crack on with a bit more cleaning now. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope it's been useful, informative, helpful, that sort of thing. And I'll catch you next time. Cheers, everyone.